I now invite Dr. Sachindra Raul for his presentation. There is no one to speak.
My co-participant, my friend Harish, he is also a co-participant. In front of me, Purnendu sir, Vijayananda sir, so many invited guests, teachers from nearby colleges, and universities outside the provision, my dear students. I will try to take very less time because I am the last speaker. And they were taking me for the next session, but I wanted to speak and finish my job in this session. So I will take very less time. Actually, I didn't have much time to prepare for this seminar, number one. Number two, I have also very less study on Pandit Nilakantha class. Actually, I do not know whether his book on Bhagavad Gita has been translated to English or not. I have not come across it. So I am forced to write something in Oriya, and I will also read those lines that I have quoted from Pandit's book in Oriya. And only one point I have concentrated, that is on heredity. Because we come across the division of caste and so many things in the society, Chatur Varnam and Varnashram, so all these things are there. So the question came to my mind that whether this Varnashram dharma or this division of caste like Brahma, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra, is it based on heredity or it is based on some other? So keeping that in my mind, I went through two books of Bhagavad Gita. One is Pandit Nilakantha's book in Korea, and the other one is Pandit Nilakantha's book. These two books I went through. None of them have accepted that heredity is a factor for determining the Swadharma and Swabhava of that person. The Swabhava and the Swabhava, they are not based on heredity. So the most important standard that will come across in Bhagavad Gita, that is in Jnana Yoga, standard 3, Chatur Varnam Moya Sushta, Guna Karma Vihartasam, Tasya Vartaram Abhiman, Iti, Apartaram Abhyayam. So, Lord Krishna is saying, this Chaturvarna I have created, and I have not created at the same time. I am Karta and I am Aparta. So far I am recognizing this division, I am the Karta, and so far I am above this worldly affairs, not attached. So I am Aparta. So I am Aparta and Karta of this division at the same time, from different angles. So again, the most important stanza that will come across is in the same chapter, in Karma Yoga, that is chapter 3 and stanza 35. Sreyam Svodharma Diguna Paradharma So Anusthita Svodharma Nidhanam Sreyam Paradharma. So the meaning is organization, it is better even if my own dharma is less qualitative and somebody else's dharma is well established. I should not run after the dharma of others. I should be content to my own dharma, and in that I will achieve success and I will be liberated, but not by following the dharma of others. So we have four varnas: Brahmana, Kshatriya, Shudra, Vaishya, and according to the gunas, Sattva, Raja, Tama, they are determined. All these things are there, and they are very common things that anybody who across Gita, he knows this. So I am not going to repeat all these things. But what Pandit Nilakantha does not accept heredity. So it is based on Swabhava and Swabhava. So anybody's karma, kartavya, should be determined according to his Swdharma and Swabhava. Swabhava determines his Swabhava, and Swdharma is what he has to do. So this is what I the heredity according to Pandit Nilakantha. So coming back to Pandit Nilakantha, he has written it in India. Chatur Varna Kalpanare Raktagata Jati Nahi. Chatur Varna Kalpanare Raktagata Jati Nahi. So this is page 308. परिस्थितिर पड़ी ये सब वर्ण रक्त बा जन्मगत है. So आदि लोगों caste system we are coming across. It was a different time, different situation. Into at the beginning there was not any blood connection, or it was not at all based on heredity. So परिस्थितिर पड़ी ये सब वर्ण रक्त जन्मगत है. स्वभाव में এই সুধর্ম প্রকাশক স্বভাব কহিলে ব্যক্তির আধ্যাত্ম বা বিকাশ বৃদ্ধি ଏହା କୁହାଯାଇଅଛି. ତେବେ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିର ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିତ୍ୱ ବିକାଶରେ ଜୀବ ହେଉଛି ସ୍ୱଭାବ. I am repeating, ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିର ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିତ୍ୱ ବିକାଶରେ ଜୀବ ହେଉଛି ସ୍ୱଭାବ. ইন্দ্রিয় ধর্ম বা কামনা চোদিত কর্মরে এই স্বভাব মধ্যে প্রকাশ পায়. So here he is referring to কামনা চোদিত কর্ম. সাধারণত ଏହା କୁହାଯାଇଛି ଯେ ଆମେ ଆମର ଇଚ୍ଛା ଗୁଡ଼ାକ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ କଲେ, ଆମର ଇନ୍ଦ୍ରିୟ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ଆମେ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ କଲେ ଆମେ आत्मार दर्शन पाइबा बा निजको चिन्हि पाइबा एभଳି ଭାବରେ କୁହାଯାଇଛି. So ସବୁବେଳେ କୁହାଯାଇଛି ଯେ we should control our senses, we should control our indriyas. But ଗୋଟେ Pandit Nilakantha ତାର ଅଲଗା ଇଣ୍ଟରପ୍ରିଟେସନ ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି. There is no need to control our kamanas. ଅତି ସୁନ୍ଦର ଭାବରେ ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ କାମନା ଗୁଡ଼ାକ control आवश्यक नहीं, और ताकू से जड़ शक्ति बोली कहउछन. कामना वाकी जड़ शक्ति बोली कहउछन. अन्यथा जड़ शक्ति और व्यवहार तो देवता पूजा. एटा के वाक्य लागि पारे. जड़ शक्ति और व्यवहार होछि देवता पूजा. सेठी तो शीघ्र कामना लाभ बोली कहिला भगवान सेही भक्ति को अविधि पूर्वक भगवान को आराधना बोली क्वेश्चन. चैप्टर 12 reference 7:21, 22, chapter 9:23-26. एवं कामनार उपासक हुआ है आपको मना करा जाए नहीं, किंतु असुविधा होती. किंतु ये सब रे अन्यर स्वार्थर संघर्ष ही दुष्कृतर है. मोर कामना खाइबा, मु अनेक कथा उपभोग करने को मोर इच्छा ही पाए मोर इंद्रिय को भोग करने को किसी असुविधा नहीं किंतु ताहा जेते बेले अन्य इंद्रिय भोग करे असुविधा सृष्टि करिवो सेठी दुष्कृत किंतु एही सबरे अन्य स्वार्थ संघर्ष दुष्कृत है एणु समाज ही मनुष्य साधना और मुख्य क्षेत्र ये समाज का सबुरे से मनुष्य समाज खसी जाएगी हम जो प्रकार को अपना करे पड़ेगा सबू एक कथा से काटो लेखा रे प्रत्येक जगह रे समाज को देखते होछि अनेक कथा से कहछथि साधारण मनुष्य को से विश्व यज्ञ पुरुष बोली कहछथि प्रत्येक मनुष्य विश्व हमें समझते एक विश्व मंगल का कामना करी बंचवा उचित ये जो व्यक्ति से उचित समग्र विश्व प्रति सब कथा कहते आउ कथा मत भल लगे जे मनुष्य लक्ष्य हूँ सत्य शिव सुंदर तेणु से स्वधर्म को सी एक्सटेंड कर सत्य शिव सुंदर ट्रुथ से मंगलमय बेनिफिशियल फॉर एवरीबॉडी एंड दैट इज ब्यूटीफुल एक कथा गोटे सुंदर कल्पना से करिछे